Hey Cryptoverse, welcome to this episode of Crypto Baptist. The show highlights everything about institutions getting into crypto. Today's April 17, 2021, and I'm your host, Dan. If you've been following Kathy Wood's ARK Investments, they post some of their trades every day, and you will see that for the past 3 days, they've been buying Coinbase every single day. I think by now they have about a million shares of Coinbase, I believe. So they're very bullish on crypto, and if you want exposure to crypto and you're looking for a large cap company, Coinbase is pretty much your only option at the moment. That's why it has some love in these ETFs. And I also believe Block and the DApp ETF will also have to buy some Coinbase. We have some other institutions buying some crypto in their filings. We have the Rothschilds investments in Brevan Howard's. Brevan Howard's invested about 1.5% of their $6 billion AUM into digital assets. We don't know what they invested in. And then Rothschild has invested about $5 million into the Grayscale Ethereum Trust product. Here we have a video of BlackRock's Larry Fink. He's the CEO, talking about crypto. He's saying that he's fascinated by it as a new asset, and he said there is a potential for it becoming an asset. But he said right now his institutional clients do not have interest in it, and that's fine. That maybe is a sign that we're still in the early stages, and also maybe the clients aren't going to him. Maybe they're going to NYDIG or Gemini institution or Coinbase institution, and not necessarily BlackRock. The city of Miami is creating a cryptocurrency task force. They're going to be exploring how employees can get paid in cryptocurrency and how residents can pay in paying their taxes, fees, and services in crypto. Again, we know that Miami and the mayor wants Miami to become the crypto hotspot. So I think that's very innovative that they're doing this. So with this, maybe Miami is going to be one of the first US states to own Bitcoin in its treasury. And then maybe in the future, we'll have more sovereign states owning Bitcoin in the treasury. And I think with that can definitely take Bitcoin to above the 100K level. So we have the good, and here we have the bad. Turkey is banning the use of cryptocurrency as a form of payment. So we have one government liking crypto and we have one banning it. The price of Bitcoin wasn't really much impacted by it. It quickly recovered from the drop to 60, and right now we're just basing at around 60,000. This is something that's interesting to note. I'm not sure what's the implication from it, but it's definitely something that we should make a note of. ClearShares made an announcement that they're changing the ticker for their Biton Intermediate Fixed Income ETF from PIFI to BTC. However, it's still going to continue to trade taxable intermediate duration bonds. So they invest in investment grade corporate bonds, US government agency bonds, and US Treasury notes in this ETF. And the other thing they announced was that Grayscale has taken an ownership stake into ClearShares. So it's interesting that they're changing this bond ETF into BTC ticker. Not sure why, because it's not investing into digital assets. Now we know that Grayscale has mentioned that they're committed into changing their trust products into an ETF, and maybe that's what they have to do with ClearShares. France's third largest bank is launching a tokenized Euro medium-term note on the Tezos blockchain, and they're doing this to reduce costs and also to decrease the number of intermediaries. So I think it's good that they're exploring this, right? That they're using blockchain for its intended purposes, which is to reduce costs and increasing speed. For educational pieces, the blockchain and money course taught by Professor Gary Gensler, who's now the new SEC chairman, is fully available on MIT's OpenCourseWare now. You can click on the video lectures link to get access to all of the lectures. All right, that's all I have for you today. Take care.